Okay guys, welcome back to my WordPress tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to add a PDF on your website using WordPress or Elementor or Div, just to add it on your website. It's pretty much simple guys. So now we're logged in on dashboard WordPress. We logged in on WordPress. Now we're on dashboard. Yeah. Okay. The first thing you need to do, you go to media library. You can click library or add new. Just wanna go for add new. Media library, add new. It's loading, as you can see. Why is making so slow? Come on. Okay, yeah. So we're in media library. So add new. Select. And we're gonna upload your PDF now. You want to upload a PDF. The key is a PDF. Then they say this. My Photoshop certificate is in PDF. Let's open it. So yeah, it's uploading. Okay, then click on it, and it will take you to this page. Then copy the URL, copy the link. The link is copied. Okay, let's go over to pages. Now we want to edit on the page. Edit Elementor. Okay, it's loading. Moment of truth. Yeah, boom. Here we are. We're on Elementor. Let's just add a block like this. And then we will say on this block we'll add the button that they should click, then it will take them to the PDF. Okay, let's align it to the center. Okay, you can paste the link here. That's link. Yes, it's paste that. Or maybe let's say you just wanted to go with text, only text. Let's say this text. Yeah, you just want to click on text. Says it's here. Okay, let's add it into the center, and let's also add a link, paste, then update. Let's preview if it's working. After we're done updating, let's preview if it's working. Okay, so here's the preview. Let's click. Yes, boom, it's totally working. Let's take you to the PDF file. Here's the PDF file. Yes, they can be able to download or print this PDF file.